Sag Harbor, here we come. Laundry, batch 1 and 1.
It's only the laundromat that's gonna get beat up.
But we're home. It's a beautiful day. It's dead calm, super hot. And yeah, we're gonna go check out what we think is a new town dock. We'll see. Well, our big laundry day plans fell through because the laundromat burned down in October and they didn't finish rebuilding it yet. Also COVID, I don't know.
I think COVID's got a lot to do with what's going on.
Yeah, it has a lot to do with it.
A life-changing situation. I don't know how it happened, but...
You don't know how it happened?
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow.
Okay, so the project for today is to remove this prop. So we're going to start. I've removed the Carter key that goes in here, or Carter pin as people call it. You want to remove the lock nut. There's a washer here. Don't forget that. The prop on these should come off fairly easy. And we have 2 more washers here. And here's the culprit. Braided line. So now we see. Yeah, so that is not what you want to be on your prop shaft. You can break this seal that's in here. They can't really do too much damage. Push it back together. A life-changing situation.
I didn't even tell him that I was doing this, but this is so weird.
Well, cruising's gonna get a little bit more crowded, I think.
Yeah, everything goes well.
With all the uncertainty that lied ahead, all we knew was that our lives were changing. We didn't know what our future might hold, but what we did know is that it was going to be a time to adapt. For us, this was a big lifestyle adjustment. That transition between the cruising schedule and our new working schedule was something that we had to work on. But I guess it felt easier this time, knowing that we had someone to eventually provide for. Finding out that you're going to be a parent is news filled with emotion. But I think for the most part, we felt excited for what our future held.
So, I just went to the doctor here in Sag Harbor, and she basically well, confirmed a positive test. And then the other thing she said was, so yeah, very important, stay out of the sun, stay out of the heat. Don't be in contact with any rocking. Make sure you relax, stay cool, and don't get warm. And I was like, yeah, I live on a sailboat. She's like, oh, she looked horrified. So, yeah, that's that. And you still need to take a blood test. She didn't do that there. And then, yeah, it's the whole insurance thing about me being out of the country, like Norway, for too long now. Due to COVID, it was really hard to get home. And honestly now, while in New York, I don't really want to fly home. I don't want to be exposed to anything at an airport in New York right now. So due to this, they might not cover any extensions, because technically I could get home to Norway if I really wanted to, but because I feel safer here and don't really feel like being in Norway right now, they won't really extend my insurance. We will see though. I called them today. Hopefully we can get a solution tomorrow, but if not, just gonna have to pay for these doctor's appointment privately until September, when the plan is to go back to Norway and eventually maybe have a kid in like February. Oh my god. This is a little out of the blue, I guess. Anyway, that's status quo. Cody's working and he's on charter, and I am here trying to get some work done myself. Our B&B is currently not occupied. I have another 2 days before we get any guests, so I have a little time to prepare. Anyway.
Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special.
I felt happy, overwhelmed, and a little bit in disbelief all at once. I didn't feel sick at all. I slept better at night, and honestly, there was little that convinced me that this was actually happening. I guess at 33, I had always pictured it to happen one day, but I had tried to live life according to my own wants and needs for so long that when it did, it was hard to believe that it was going to work out. I mean, I didn't even know I could have kids, and with that said, who knows if this baby is actually healthy? As a realist, I was having a hard time being overjoyed, and I guess it made sense to me to just stick to doing one step at a time. In my head, a lot could still go wrong. So even though true life is lived when changes occur, you have to change with them to get the full experience.
Laughing whenever we screw it up. Go a little wild is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm.
What did you do to your face?
Your face. Look at your hair.
No, look at your face.
What is it?
What's you got? What is this? Well, we got you a Father's Day present. No, it's even better than being in trouble.
Yes. What is it?
Now you're a grandpa.
What?
Now you're a grandma. You're
Y'all for real?
yeah.
I have to digest that. You caught me off guard a little bit. I guess I'm in shock.
All right, Therese's not happy. She's totally pregnant. She's 9 weeks right now, but we can't tell anybody. We told our immediate family, actually. So, but we haven't told everybody yet. Sign 1 of pregnancy. super grumpy, super tired. It's in number 1. There's a lot of signs of pregnancy.
What are you doing?
I
Seriously,
gotta find
babe.
Instagram for the
I
boomerang.
have you can't do that to me right now.
Status is good right now. What?
You can't cut it if you play. Because then I won't have you know, you can make a playback later or something. Okay, status is I'm grumpy.
Yeah, hopefully that was caught on camera.
Because I'm
Shut
just...
me down from playing this
Shut
one.
up!
Oh, you could be pregnant.
This is the moment where I need him to do all the right things, and he's doing none of them. And it's not because I'm, like, have any problems right this second. It's just because I'm super tired, and I am also very hungry.
But I made her pizza.
Shut up!
What? That counts.
Dragged myself out to watch the sunset with Cody, because he likes to watch the sunset with me. Which I would rather lay in bed and watch movies right now. That's exactly how I feel, because my back is hurting, I'm cramping, and I'm tired.
She's still pretty. Right now, all I have is a guitar. And a really nice sunset.
Salon that we can go to after closing to do laundry and actually get by the
Most
season with all of our
exclusive.
B&B stuff.
Savi is a legend. Easy, easy. She's fragile.
Alright,
Goodbye, my love.
bye-bye now. Have
Goodbye,
fun.
my love. Okay, now we're ready for laundry day. There we go, good job. I was optimistic for what was coming, something new on the horizon, and for the next couple of months, I was motivated more than ever to work hard every day and take advantage of every opportunity that was provided for us. Like, what?
No, I just feel like I'm a little nauseous, but that I can sort of like prevent it. I don't think I'm gonna get sick. I think I'm nauseous from pain, just from cramps, or the cramps. So, yeah.
You are coming into week 9.
Yeah. It's so early though, I didn't think I was gonna have any, like, pain apart from, like, maybe being sick, but then I haven't felt sick, so I guess, yeah, just...
Well, he's the size of a raspberry.
Yeah, but the uterus is the size of a grapefruit. It can't fit here.
No.
That's the problem.
No, you had space for all the other organs, but now you have grapefruit organs, and
So, but then we know my bedtime. Stay horizontal after 10 p.m.
yes, 10 o'clock. Sharp.
There's things in life you simply need to know. But sun or rain and trust in letting go.
Be tough there.
Takes a bit of suffering.
They're there.
Sleepless nights and wondering.
I'm gonna go make sure the boat's safe. They're there.